Hello students, welcome to SP classes of class 10. Today we will see our exercise. We will continue our exercise 8.4. In that from 5th question, 9th one we have to solve. And I think introduction to trigonometry chapter 8th chapter. This is the last video. And on this today we will complete this chapter. We will see this question. What is there here? Cosecant A minus sin A. Secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Simplify LHS and RHS separately. So here they have given cosecant A minus sin A, secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Here one hint also they have given. What is that hint they have given? Simplify LHS and RHS separately. In this step, like this type question, in our fourth question also, we already seen like this type. We already did this LHS one separately and this one also separately. So here also we have to solve this one same thing. So LHS is equal to cosecant A minus sin A and secant A minus cos A. Here how we can solve this one? We can take this cosecant as 1 by sin A, means we have to change this one in the form of sin, and the secant also we are changing in the form of sin and cos formation. Okay, so 1 by sin A minus sin A, here 1 by cos A minus cos A. Okay, now let's take the LCM, and here it will be sin A will be the LCM, sin A 1 by sin square A. Here cos A will be the LCM, 1 minus cos square A. Okay, now from these two formula, first identity sin theta 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So we'll apply the same thing here. So it will be cos square A minus sin A into sin square A divided by cos A. Okay, here now this between is the multiplication, so cos square A sin A into sin square A cos A. It will be cos cancel, 1 sin cancel. So here what we will left with cos A into sin A. This is our LHS one. LHS answer we got this one. So now let's see our RHS. In RHS 1 by tan A plus cot A. So for this tan and cot we can also change in the form of sin and cos form. So that is 1 by sin A cos A plus cos A sin A. Okay, now for this let's do the multiplication, further calculation. Let's see, this one will goes to up, and we'll solve this one in the form of, this is 1 by, first take the LCMs of the both side, here down only in the same way. So this is sin square A plus cos square A divided by cos A into sin A. Here this will go in the top by taking the rationalization, by taking the numerator into denominator. So we will take this one cos A into sin A divided by sin square A plus cos square A. Here this is the identity is equal to 1 is there. So it will be left with cos A into sin A. This is our RHS. From these two, LHS and RHS are same. I hope we proved this one. According to doing the separate calculations with LHS and RHS, we have solved this one and we got the both same answers. And what we have done here, just this cosecant we changed in the form of sine and cos. So, cosecant secant we changed sine in the cos, and here for this tan also we changed in the form of sine and cos. If any problem in the form of tan, cos, secant, cosecant like this type we had, means we not at all getting anything to solve, then at least we can change that one in the form of sine and cos. We have to keep on solving. How we know? At least by saying one or two steps, they may be right and in the final answer it may be wrong. Then also they'll give marks for you all. Okay. Now last one, 10th one we'll see. Here 1 plus tan square A 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan square 1 minus tan A 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. See, in all the problems we just having only two things, LHS, RHS like this type, but in this form, in this problem we are having three things. That is, they have given LHS, RHS with not given LHS, RHS like that. First part, second part, third part. So by solving the any part, we should get one same answer. What answer we will get? We will get this answer only. By first part we will solve means we have to get this one. By second part also we have to get this one only. So let's see from the first part. First side, this first side we will see. So it will be 1 plus tan square A 1 plus cot square A. For this, according to our identity, we have secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So for this, we will substitute that one. Secant square theta divided by cosecant square theta. Sorry, A is there na here. Okay. A. Next, after this cosecant will change as 1 by cos square A. This cosecant will change as 1 by sin square A. Now interchanging these things, we will get sin square A divided by cos square A. Sin divided by cos, it is tan square A. Hence we proved from the first part, first side, we got this one. Okay. Now let's continue the same thing. With second part of this one. Second part, what is there? This one 1 minus tan A 1 minus cot A whole square. For this tan and cot, again we are not getting anything how to solve this one. So again we will get our same idea, that is we will change this one in the form of sine and cos, and here also 1 minus cos A divided by sine A whole square for all these things. Now take the LCM and solve the further calculation. This is here LCM will be cos A, this is cos A minus sin A divided by sin A minus cos A divided by sin A whole square. Now for this, again let's do further calculation. Let's take this form in this side and we will do, this will be, this sign will go in the up, sin A into cos A minus sin A. Here cos A sin A minus cos A whole square bracket, whole bracket we are having. This sin and cos will be directly we have written as tan A, and here we will solve this one further as cos A minus sin A sin A minus cos A whole square. Again let's solve this one further as this. Here in this bracket we are taking minus as common, so by taking minus as common, here it will be, see, tan A cos A minus sin A. By taking here minus as common, we will get this one as cos A minus sin A. So again we will cancel these things, whole square is there, so automatically we will get tan A whole square. So this form we can write as tan square A. From the second side also we proved this one. So here from the first part, from the first side we already proved the same thing, and from the second part also we proved the same thing. I hope you all understood. If you like and if you are understanding very easily, then please like this channel and comment to this one. Thank you.